Assalamu alaikum. My name is MD Choton Ahmed. I am currently pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science at Engineering at April International University. At present, I am a third year and second semester student. Regarding my academic background, I completed my secondary school certificate SSC from RB Government High School in 2020. I completed my higher secondary certificate SSC from Joypurhat Government College in 2022. My university journey, I have developed proficiency in several programming languages, including C, C++, Java, JavaScript, SQL, HTML, and CSS. I have gained sole knowledge of object-oriented program, data structure, and algorithm, database management system, and software engineering. I have worked on several academic projects, including a hostel management system. I strongly believe that professional success requires excellent interprofessional skills. I have continuously worked on improving my communication, preparation, and presentation and teamwork. I enjoy exploring new knowledge, those reading books and novels. I am also passionate about sports, efficiently cricket and football, as they touch valuable knowledge about discipline, teamwork. I enjoy football during my free time, which help me stay active and maintain a healthy lifestyle. My career goal is to build myself as a skilled software engineering. I aspire to deepen my expertise in software development, web technologies, system design, and modern engineering practice. I am eager to learn from impressed professional, contribute to changing project, and continuously grow both technically and personally. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamu alaikum.